Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful and elegant charm necklace. Now this necklace is giving very traditional look because of these charms and red glass beads. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make this necklace at home. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription means a lot to me and it is helping me to grow out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. The material required is pearl bead, 30 gauge wire, the 5 mm glass beads. I have taken red color to give it a traditional look. Jump ring, charm, these are golden beads, necklace dori and cutter and plier. So first of all, if you can see the design of this pendant, these studs are facing front, but to my this charms, the hole is up front. So if I insert it directly in the wire like this will come to back. This will be in this this will be in that position and it won't come front, but it will go sideways. To avoid that, what we'll do is I'm taking this jump ring and we insert the jump ring here in this. Again we'll close this and form a firm loop here, and we need mostly 7 to 8 jump rings, charms like this. So we'll quickly do that. Okay, so I have added jump rings to this charm in the pendant. For this I am taking this 30 gauge wire and I'll remove some little part of this. Okay, now we will take this golden beads and 5 glass beads. So first of all I'll insert one golden bead, then one glass bead, then one golden bead, then one charm, then one golden bead and glass bead. Okay, so this is the sequence. You can see it is one golden bead, glass bead, golden bead, glass bead, charm in the middle of a golden bead. So we are going to add 5 beads. So I'll do that.
If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment to this video.
I have added 5 glass beads here. Now in the end over here I'm taking this jump ring and I'll attach it to this side. Now I'm going to cut this one, keeping some part, and we'll add a jump ring here again. Okay, so our pendant is ready, and also make sure that whenever you are adding charms, make sure that this design will come first, otherwise this back side will come first, and sometimes this front will come first, so it won't look good. Now we will insert these pearl beads in this. For this, for the same, I am taking this 30 gauge wire, and we are going to add approx 150 with each of these, and we are going to have 4 layers of these beads. So I'm approximately cutting this one. I'm just measuring it by hand itself. We'll take two first. Okay, I'll match this end and I'll insert this one in one jump ring, and I'll find this needle and I'll wrap it over here. So I'm going to add 105 pearl beads in each of these, and also I'm going to add similarly to this side, so I'll quickly do that and come back to you. Okay, so guys, I have added this string, so as you can see this necklace is looking so beautiful. I have made 4 layers of each of these pearl beads, and it is looking somewhat. Now finally we will lock this one. So I am taking this necklace dori, and from this one hole I will insert this here like this, and I'll just wrap it here properly. Again, I am not using jump ring because this necklace dori has a hole, so I don't feel it's required to insert a jump ring. Okay, so with this, a beautiful necklace is ready. And now for the earrings, I have used B6000 glue, and I just attached the studs before sorry, because it takes at least a day to stick this glue very properly, otherwise this comes out easily, but now they have attached very properly. So a beautiful necklace set is ready, and it's giving very traditional vibes.
So you can see we have made this beautiful choker. I have tried to show you in a very simple way. You will surely love to make this choker, and also if you have to gift someone, this is the great option. So do try this choker and let me know in the comments below how was your experience while making it. Do like and share to this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.